Hi friend, this is Sia and welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Sia, and I hope you people are doing great and learning this language gratefully. And in this video I am going to talking about be disciplined if you get fluency in this language. Okay, what happens friend when we start our English journey? So we can do lots of mistakes. Why? Because no one tell that what we do and when we start our journey, and if we start our journey, so what kind of rule follow. Okay, and second thing is we are confused. We learn grammar first or we learn by listening, so lots of confusion run in our mind, so we are not consistent with this language. Okay, but if you get fluency in this language, so be disciplined. Whatever you do, you get time to this language. Okay, we know that four pillar of this language: listening, writing, reading, and practice. Okay, what we can do if we uh, practice in long time and then we break our consistency like 10 day 15 day, so we think that we forgot a thing but not come out in our mouth. Why? Because we are not do practice. If we have environment, so there is no need to practice this language, because we practice in our daily life, we talking with people, so why we need to practice. Okay, but if we are not environment, so there must need to practice with someone, or practice with whatever you are comfortable. If you comfortable in front of mirror, practice, and if you record your video and see that where you do mistake, and if you interested in talking with native speaker, so you can download some English application and you can practice with them. Okay, in according to me, if you talking with native speaker, so that is the good decision. Okay, if you do mirror practice and if you record your video and only you see that video, so you are not find your mistake where area you do mistake. Okay, but if you speak in front of someone, they are uh, their English is good, and if you speak in front of them, so they can correct you if you do mistake. Okay, so you see that okay, uh, in that area I am doing mistakes, I am correct with this. Okay, and second thing is, if you do practice with someone, so you can choose different topic, so you can increase your vocabulary and you learn different kind of words. And the second biggest reason why we are not disciplined with this language, because if we are not have environment and we learn this language like 2 months 3 months, then we see our improvement, so we are not get if we are not get improvement, so we feel demotivated. So that is why we think that okay, I'm quit my journey and I cannot do this type of thought run in our mind. But if you have a desire and you think that okay, whatever happened and whatever time uh, give whatever time required this language, I'm give my 100%, because this is a not a subject. Okay, this is a language, and if you think that this is a subject and I'm learn this thing, so you can learn anything. Okay, if you say that okay, this is language and I'm learn like a language. Okay, so you can learn easily. And the third thing is, what happened with us when we learn this language like 6 months 1 year, we give this language and we became fluent, and we are no, after 1 year we are not do practice. So what happened? We feel again demotivated, and when we break our consistency, so we are not speak clearly, and when we speak in front of someone, so we take pauses, then we speak. So our conversation not going to be smooth. Okay, so don't break consistency. Again, I'm saying that if we have environment, so there is not need to be practice. But if we are not environment, so you must do practice every day, every single day. You can do practice, because when we practice, so we can learn new thing, and we uh, we get fluency in this language as soon as possible. It's not easy, because this is my personal view of, I'm saying that first when I learn this language, I'm start learning this language, so I'm thinking that this journey is easy. But after I'm giving some uh, month, then I'm realized that this journey is not to be easy. If you learn this language like a 6 months, 1 year, so I hope you friend like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.